Hey there! Today we are going to show you how you can export the global chat of your own event. Here we just have 3 messages on the global chat and we want to export them. So for that, as a host, you can go to the cockpit, and here on the bottom section you have operations section, which allows you to export the event. Here at the bottom you have the button export global chat. So just click it, and this will allow you to save the CSV file generated with the content of your chat. So your chat is here. You can see that you have at what time the message was sent. This is the local time of the person exporting the chat, so it will be your local time zone, who sent it, and what was the message. So we hope this will enable you to better analyze the different questions and different opinions shared on your chat. And as always, just let us know what you think about it, and let me know if you have any other requests in terms of data to be exported in order to improve your own events. Wish you a good day, and thank you.